Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveils multiple development projects in West Bengal. Meghalaya government to seek more MBBS seats from central pool to tide over the shortage of doctors in the state. Shillong All Fai Forum asks political parties not to create division for political mileage ahead of elections. National meet on RTI Act held in Shillong. Chief Information Commissioner of India terms RTI as a powerful act. And central government signs tripartite agreement with Tripura government and Tripura Modi. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said the centre has tried to bridge the development gap in Bengal for the last 10 years. The Prime Minister unveiled multiple development projects worth 15,000 crore rupees from Krishnanagar in the Nadia district of West Bengal this morning. Mr. Modi said the central government is working to provide momentum to West Bengal's economic growth and create job opportunities. The initiatives included development projects related to railways, ports and petroleum amongst others. He added that West Bengal acts as the eastern gate of India and this gate has the potential to become the entry point of development in the east.
पश्चिम बंगाल हमारे देश के लिए, देश के कई राज्यों के लिए पूर्वी द्वार का काम करता है। पूरब में इस द्वार से प्रगति की अपार संभावनाओं का प्रवेश हो सकता है। इसलिए हमारी सरकार पश्चिम बंगाल में रोडवेज, रेलवेज, एयरवेज और वाटरवेज की आधुनिक कनेक्टिविटी के लिए काम कर रही है।
The state government is contemplating to send a proposal to the centre seeking more MBBS seats from central pool to tide over the shortage of doctors in the state. Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo on Friday said that last year the total number of seats allotted to the state was 96. Talking about the bond signed between the students and the government to serve in the state, she said that the signing of bond is something which has been reviewed from time to time. She also stated that earlier the department did not have a state registry and some of the doctors were registering and practicing in other states. But now Meghalaya have its own medical board which is registering the doctors and it's being made compulsory.
What do you call them? They have their own associations. We need to sit and discuss these matters in a more productive manner. It's not that we should target these doctors. So the point here is that all of this has been a tradition in the government. Now I need to look at why these things have not been done and we need to figure out a way forward. But to begin with, I was told that the first biggest hurdle was the registry of doctors in a Meghalaya board. But so, now it is there. These are all, like I told you, situations where doctors have been given this liberty in the past. Whether we can change this and make it binding is something else. That decision we need to take in consultation with the community of doctors themselves first.
The Shillong All Fai Forum, SAFF, a conglomeration of different faith-based groups of Meghalaya, have urged political parties to be mindful of what they speak, how they speak and what they do. Speaking to media persons after a meeting, SAFF President Bishop Purely Lingdo also urged the political parties not to create divisions and hatred amongst people for political mileage. Appealing the citizens of the state to be careful of miscreants trying to create disturbances and misunderstandings for political mileage, he said that people should also not believe fake news spread often with an idea of spreading hatred.
Friends, welcome. has come to the stage where we faith leaders need to stand up and speak out and call upon our people to be aware, to be alert of the situation. SARF, as you all know, was formed in 2020, not only for normal times when we meet together for certain matters.
Shillong MP Vincent H. Pala has asked the Congress party leaders to be united as the party is gearing up to face the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Addressing a meeting of the Congress party workers of Ribhoi district, Pala also lauded the efforts of the party leaders and workers in strengthening the party for the welfare of Meghalaya citizens. He also slammed the BJP, saying that the government at the centre is disrespecting the emotions of the country. Other senior leaders of the party, like Leader of Opposition Ronnie V. Lingdo, MLAs and party functionaries were also present in the meeting.
Ngadilan parti nabuk ngerjali jadi mendong kecil terang abang kerang ke isus tiara mana kena ni mudah meeting apa gali lain kita meeting apa gali bayar ki isus bangunnya batai si pada ki babon ki isus kelang na 60% kita bandang ki isus naga ki state issues but 40% kita ki national issues.
NPP candidate for Shillong parliamentary seat, Ampreen Lingdo, has downplayed any anti-incumbency against the NPP in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Speaking to media persons, Lingdo said that there is no anti-incumbency against NPP, as the state is doing well under the NPP-led MDA government. She also said that the government in the recently held assembly sessions highlighted different developmental activities which are taking place in the state, and many sectors have shown improvement.
We will have coalition partners who are anyways also fielding their respective candidates. We are all in the same government. Where does the incumbent factor comes? And you still think that we are incumbent? I do not think I have the challenge at all. Everywhere we are going, there is progress and development. I was in Rambrai 7 months back. Horrible condition of road. I went again today or yesterday. There is a perfect road there. Look at our farmers. Look at the groups of farmers that are doing so much better today ever than before. Look at the income generated and livelihood generation of a lot of our programs in the farming sector. They are all indicative that we are progressing.
Chief Information Commissioner of India, Hira Lal Samaria, has asserted that the RTI Act is a powerful act as it keeps the citizens aware of government activities. Speaking at the national meet on RTI Act here in Shillong today, Hira Lal Samaria said that the RTI Act helps in achieving efficiency in administration while informing that around 18,000 appeals are received every year. He also asked all the departments to update their websites and ensure that information is put up in the public domain. The two-day national meet was organized by the Director General of Standing Conference of Public Enterprises. Hinyautrep National Liberation Council cadre Storji Lingdo was arrested from his house at Maulan Ray on Saturday morning, police informed. Lingdo is the HNLC's personal security officer and had also accompanied the HNLC cadres during their peace talks with the government. The operation team of East Khasi Hills Police seized 2 mobile phones from him, including one having Bangladesh SIM card, and police suspect him to be involved in the extortion activities through WhatsApp. A tripartite agreement was signed between the centre, the state government of Tripura and the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, popularly known as Tripura Motha and other stakeholders in New Delhi. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha, Tripura Motha Supremo Pradyut Deb Barma and other senior leaders attended the meeting. Speaking on the occasion, Amit Shah said that today was a historic day for Tripura. He added that several efforts have been made to realize the vision of an insurgency-free, violence-free and dispute-free Northeast.
हम लोग चाहते हैं त्रिपुरा एक त्रिपुरा श्रेष्ठ त्रिपुरा बने, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत बने। हमारा जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री हमेशा कहते हैं सबको लेके चलना है, क्योंकि हमारे पास इतना अच्छे लीडर हैं, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, अमित भाई निशाद जी हैं। तो इसलिए जैसे देखिए ये जो आप बता रहे हो जो संभव हुआ, अभी इनके कारण ये सब हुआ। और हम चाहते हैं कोई भी इसमें रुकावट नहीं होगा और ट्रांसपेरेंसी रहेगा और आने वाले दिन हम लोग एक साथ किसी भी जगह में कोई भी समस्या होगा या कुछ डाउट हो तो हम लोग आके बैठ के हम लोग बात करते हैं।
The Meghalaya State Skill Development Society has embarked on a mission to enhance the employability and socio-economic empowerment of individuals through the launch of the Skillerate Connect initiative, inaugurated at Madan NSCA Pahamsim today. The two-day event was graced by the presence of Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, Arpit Upadhyaya. The program signifies the government's commitment through MSSDS to bridge the gap between skill acquisition and market demand, thereby facilitating a seamless transition for participants into various sectors of employment. This initiative aims to not only impart necessary skills, but also to foster innovation and entrepreneurship amongst the youth.
So I would just like to highlight today the importance of this program, whereby we have certain people who have got their training, skill training through various programs arranged by MSSDS, and on the other hand we have our employers also who have come all the way at the invitation of the, our MSSDS people. And it is a wonderful opportunity for the youth here to try to get a good exposure, try to get jobs if possible. And also we have a platform here where the local artisans, the local entrepreneurs are here. So it gives a very fruitful meeting, gathering of all the stakeholders here.
In Women's Premier League cricket, Royal Challengers Bangalore will clash with Mumbai Indians at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru today. The match will begin at 7:30 p.m. Yesterday, UP Warriors defeated the Gujarat Giants by 6 wickets. Chasing 143 for victory, UP Warriors reached the target with 6 wickets in hand and 26 balls to spare. And now let's have a look at the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 20.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature 9.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 50% and in the evening was 65%. The forecast states that Shillong and its adjoining areas will have dry weather most likely. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveils multiple development projects in West Bengal. Meghalaya government to seek more MBBS seats from central pool to tide over the shortage of doctors in the state. Shillong All Fai Forum asks political parties not to create division for political mileage ahead of elections. National meet on RTI Act held in Shillong. Chief Information Commissioner of India terms RTI as a powerful act. And central government signs tripartite agreement with Tripura government and Tripura Motha. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, thank you for watching.